Hello students, this time I will explain you the use of models in English literature. First, we define models and we say models are special words that are different from normal verbs. They are never used alone and are always followed by a principal verb. They provide additional information about the principal verb. They are used to express certainty, possibility, willingness, obligation, necessity, and ability. Modal auxiliaries that express the mode of action denoted by the main verb are called modals. Now, the main modals are as follow. Will, shall, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to, need, has, had, have, to, etc. Now we will talk the features of modals. First we can say modals always express the imaginary action like ability, power, permission, request, possibility, certainty, right, etc. And models are never affected by the person, number, and genders of the subject. Models do not come alone, they always take the first form of the verb with them. Now we will see the use of some models. First, I want to express here out, OUGST, out. Out is usually followed by TO2 and an infinitive. Like for example, you ought to tell the truth. It defines moral duty, obligation, advice, a strong probability. Ought to is used for expressing what is the right or sensible things to do or the right way to behave. You see here example. You ought to get up earlier. We ought to exercise daily. Second, ought to is used when we believe strongly or expect that something will happen. Through an example, we see the use of this ought to as a believe strongly. The Indian team ought to win. You ought to pass the examination. Next is ought to see, ought to hear, ought to meet is used for emphasizing how good, impressive, or unusual something or someone is. Like you can say, as for example, you ought to meet his elder brother. You ought to see their new house. Now, next use of ought to have. Ought to have is used when we realize that we did not do the right thing in the past. You see example here. You ought to have listened to my advice. She ought to have taken the money. Now, noted it. Ought to can be used in exactly the same way as should. SHOULD should. As for example, you see here, you ought to obey your parents, or you can say, you should obey your parents. Now, next is the use of need. As a modal verb, need is usually followed by an infinitive without to. This is the only thing you need to do. The modal verb need is mainly used in questions and negatives, which are formed without to. Like for example, need I go out? You need not